Hey guys, today we'll see 3 different weapons from Fallout universe. The first will be combat shotgun, Gatling gun and Supersledger. So, the first is a combat shotgun. This is printed combat shotgun and you can see small details on the receiver, a lot of scratch, but it's always custom. You can use long stock, short stock or marksman. Different magazines, small, medium, drum, painted in primer. So all type of barrels, short covered, long and long covered. So silencer. Unfortunately, didn't see a lot of text on it. So this was the first one. The second is old Gatling gun. This is painted by me and printed. Used hard slab resin from Moscow firm. It consists from 3 parts. The main part with barrels and body. So you can try to read Russian. This is called Weapon Factory USA. This is the rear handle and front. So looks like brass, rusty iron and painted. So I think it looks perfect, like real one. So the last one today is Supersledger hammer. It has the stainless steel rod inside. It's 1/6 with heated coil. All is printed and 1-inch Supersledger 1/11 scale. So all is printed perfectly and painted by me. So if you want to buy this one weapon, or maybe this one, or maybe small scale, you can find it on my shop on Etsy. Link will be in the description. So that's all. Thank you and see you next time.